Hello guys, this is your KP Sir Krishna Prakash. So we are continuing the video solutions for TSPSC AEE exam which is conducted yesterday. So now the discussion is regarding open channel flow questions. So if you want to check my profile in Unacademy special classes, Unacademy profile name is NVLK Prakash. You can check by using our code KP Civil also. There is an offer on Unacademy GATE and ESC civil subscription. Save up to 30% off on all the subscriptions today. This is the best ever offer you are having now. So now our discussion is open channel flow. So surprisingly, there are 10 questions in open channel flow. Completely environmental engineering eliminated. That whatever questions of environmental they added in hydrology, irrigation, open channel flow, extra 4 questions. So that there is a surprise you are getting around 10 questions. But very importantly, all the questions are straight away and easy questions. Like GATE 1 mark models. That much easy questions came for open channel flow. Moving forward. In a gradually varied flow, dy by dx is positive and dE by dx. Very clearly we studied the derivation for dE by dx. When a dy by dx is positive, dy by dx is positive means flow depth increases with forward distance. With forward distance, flow depth increases. dE by dx is equal to S0 minus SF because flow depth increases. Water flow depth increases, rises. So when you are considering dy by dx is positive, flow depth is increasing, and so S0 is greater than SF. So you can take S0 minus SF dy by dx. And this was proved through our derivation. We have given very clearly. We have explained, and full length course we have given very clearly about how it is S0 minus SF. Rectangular channel 2 meter wide, discharge 10 meter cube per second, and at a depth of 2 meter. Discharge 10, width 2 meter, depth is 2 meter. What is the specific energy? Specific energy formula y plus v square upon 2g. So v is equal to discharge by area. It is a rectangular channel. Discharge 10. So area for rectangular channel is by 2 into 2. So velocity is 2.5. So you are getting velocity 2.5 meter per second. So now what is energy? Y 2 meter, velocity 2.5, 2 into g, make it round off to 10, no problem. So 2 plus 2.5, 0.25 by 2. This is only 2 plus 2.5, sorry, 2.5 square. 2.5 square is equal to 6.25. 6.25 upon 2 into 10. You can take 0.625 by 2. And after taking it as a 0.625 by 2, you can get around 3, 0.3. So you can consider it as a 2.3 meter. You can consider it as a 2.3 meter. So what is the answer you are getting over here? 2.3 meter. V square by 2g, 2.5 square by 2 into 10. 6.25 by 2 into 10. A triangular section is hydraulically efficient when the vertex angle. Triangular section most economical. Triangular section most economical for apex angle of 45 degrees, vertex angle of 90 degrees. So vertex angle of 90 degrees, you remembered it. Triangular section, hydraulically efficient, vertex angle 90 degrees we have discussed very clearly. Apex angle 45. The hydraulic radius of an efficient triangle section. Efficient triangular section, again, vertex angle is 90 degrees, apex angle 45, m is equal to 1. Hydraulic radius r is equal to a by p. So area, generally we can take area my square, m is 1, so you can take y square. Perimeter 2 root 2y. So now what you can take? Y square upon 2 root 2y, y upon 2 root 2. So y upon 2 root 2. First one. Dy by dx is a negative in the following GVF profiles. Dy by dx is a negative. Negative profile is a drawdown profile, falling profile, drawdown, falling. So that drawdown or falling profile is for profile 2. When you consider dy by dx is a positive, positive is a rising profile. Rising profile. For what rising profile? For profiles 1 and 3. So it is very clearly mentioned it is a negative. Negative profile is happened for second profile. So select the options all carrying profile 2. M2, A2, H2. All carrying profile 2. Here S3, this is wrong. Here A3 wrong, M1 wrong. Because 1 and 3 profiles are rising profile. 2 profile is a drawdown falling profile, negative profile. Calculate the critical depth, YC, corresponding to discharge of 8 meter cube per second, width 4 meter, take G10. So very important, what is the channel? This is the most repeated question in GATE exam also. We have given star marks in the class. YC, rectangular channel, Q square by G whole power 1 by 3. Q square by G whole power 1 by 3. So now small q, discharge per unit width, capital Q by 4, 2 meter square per second, 2 square by 10, 2 square by 10 whole power 1 by 3. 2 square by 10 is 4. 4 by 10 whole power 1 by 3. 4 by 10 is 0.4 whole power 1 by 3. 0.4 whole power 1 by 3. 2. Saint-Venant's equation for unsteady open channel flow. First of all, unsteady open channel flow, unsteady flow. Unsteady open channel flow, and they are talking about Saint-Venant's equation. So Saint-Venant's equation is representing mass. Mass is nothing but continuity. And energy we never talk regarding unsteady open channel flow. So for unsteady open channel flow, momentum is important. So we'll go with momentum, continuity and momentum equation. Initial depth of hydraulic jumper, Y1 0.2 meter. Sequent depth ratio. What is sequent depth ratio? Y2 by Y1 is 10. Then length of the jump will be length of the jump is 5 to 7 times, if nothing given 6 times of height of jump. Height of jump is equal to Y2 minus Y1. Height of jump is y2 minus y1. Height of jump y2 minus y1. So what is y2? y2 is equal to 10 into 0.2. So it is a 2 meter. 2 meter y2. So now y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1. 2 minus 0.8. Sorry, 1.8. 1.8 meter. 6 into 1.8 meter. So from the given option, nearby approximate value is 12 meter. 6 into 2, nearby answer you can select 6 into 2. So for this question, first of all, you must know that length of jump is 6 times of height of jump. This is the formula we consider. Fraud number of a hydraulic jump is 5.5. Fraud number 5.5. What is the type of jump? So in our plus class, even special class also, this is my PDF. Very clearly, range of fraud number and type of jump. Students asking, sir, it is necessary to by heart. Yes, now you check the question keep. Fraud number between 4.5 to 9, that is study jump. So now fraud number is 5.5. So you go for study jump 2. Hydraulic jump occurs when there is a break in grade frame. Hydraulic jump occurs when there is a break in grade frame. Hydraulic jump occurs always from supercritical flow to subcritical flow. Supercritical flow to subcritical flow. So when you take from steep slope, this is a steep slope and a mild slope. Please check this. Steep slope to mild slope. So that the flow falling like this suddenly rises up because of sudden mild condition. Sudden mild condition. Because it is not at all given any horizontal. If it is given horizontal, we think about it. But it is given a mild, milder, steep, steeper, mild to steep. Mild to steep. So mild to steep never happen. So that we can go with the steep to mild. So technically, how is this possible? This is your question. Technically, how is this possible? What is the steep condition? Please tell me. In steep condition, critical depth line CDL below NDL, normal depth line. This is for steep condition. Critical depth line, steep condition. And when you consider, because critical depth line below normal depth line, then when you consider mild, mild, normal depth line above critical depth line, normal depth line above critical depth line. So now always flow travel from NDL to NDL, normal depth line to normal depth line. So here flow traveled, kaha se kaha, where to where? This normal depth line to this normal depth line. So what is the first normal depth line? CDL below NDL. This is supercritical flow. Second normal depth line, NDL above CDL. This is a subcritical flow. Flow travel from NDL to NDL. So that supercritical flow to subcritical flow, hydraulic jump occur. Steep slope to mild slope. So guys, it is given, the questions are provided, most of the questions in TSPSC AEE in the pattern of GATE examination. I repeat, models are similar to GATE. Your just AEE preparation is not enough to crack TSPSC exam upcoming polytechnic lectures. So take GATE and ESC civil subscriptions, to crack your Polytechnic lecturer's exam, and now 30% offer is going on. Take a 6-month subscription and enhance your learning experience with our universal code KP Civil. Come under my personal guidance. So this is our Telegram channel. I'm always ready to support you guys. Do join the Telegram channel KPSR students. Always I'm ready to help you at any time. Let's crack it, guys.